Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be explaining about AI. So, like most of you guys have known, AI have been trending recently. You know, everybody has been using AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Dolly, something like that, OpenAI. But have you guys ever wondered, like, how does AI actually work? Have you guys wondered, like, as you were typing in the ChatGPT prompt, have you ever thought, like, how does like OpenAI process these like text and generate a response afterwards? Like, how does machine like understand text, regular human speech and stuff? So today I'm going to be a bit of like explaining to you like the rough idea of how AI actually works. AI by itself is a term that means artificial intelligence. Artificial means that it's human made, so it's like somebody actually made it, and intelligent is like smartness. So AI basically means some smartness made by people, but it's like a general term. Like it can mean something like bots in games, or maybe some really simple chats, but it doesn't really cover like the new trending. Maybe what you're referring to AI is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of thing that where a machine learns. So usually when we code, when I like to code, and I've been coding for a while now. What I've learned is that machine doesn't understand anything. It doesn't understand anything, and we have to tell the machine what to do. We tell them by code. So like do this and then this and then this. We cannot specify like understand the speech and then give a conclusion. Oh, you cannot understand that because we need to kind of tell the computer how to process this text. So for example, there's this word and then the verb and then object and subject. It's a lot of coding things, and some people have done it, but it's not perfect. So that's where machine learning comes in. Machine learning is where machine learns. It's modeled after our brain. So those smart scientists out there thought of our brain and then tries to emulate it in a computer. It does this by using this principle from our brain, where our brain consists of neurons, if you have heard of it. Neurons are just like a circle thing that connects to another neuron, and then that neuron connects to another neuron, and then so on and so forth. There's millions, billions, trillions of neurons in our brain, and they're kind of controlling us every day and make what we can do today. So scientists, those people, think of maybe if we can use these neuron things in computers, and they did. That is neural network. So this is like a subset of a subset of a subset of an artificial intelligence, but it's like it gives you a bit of a broader way of how AI actually works. So this basically, you give the computer, the neural network, something to learn. You give its input and then an output. So at the first time, the AI is really dumb. It cannot do anything. It's dumb. It's like a newborn baby. It doesn't understand anything. When you give it an input, it produces some random output that we don't understand. So we use something called backpropagation, or like some really weird math thing I don't understand. It's backpropagation. So for example, when we give an input hello, and then it produces like a word like house, well, that's not right. You're wrong. And then, oh, this must output hi. That's how AI works. So we tell the AI, we tell it the input and then the output as well. If the output is incorrect, then we kind of modify the AI a bit, kind of so that the next time we feed another input, we get the right output. So when we ask the AI hello, it must return hi, but then it returns house. So we tell the AI, oh, you must return hi. So then when we feed hello, it returns hi. This process is repeated millions, billions of times by computers. So like those OpenAI companies big, they have supercomputers that has thousands or millions or even billions of graphics card just to compute, just to train an AI. That is a bit of rough of how AI works. Maybe that's all for me. Maybe you can get some useful information from this. You can learn about AI more. Thanks for listening, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right.